I'm Adam Essex.
And I'm Scotty Matthews.
And this is Things to Do on a Train.
A backflip!
A jump. Taking a seat. Fuck, he takes that seat like a fucking champion. Reading the paper. Get the fuck out of here. And if you want to get physical, exercise. Lunges. Break falling on the chair. Ah, smack. Sliding. Pole dancing.
Attempting pole dancing. What?
Thank you all passengers. Next stop will be Shinjū with a train on terminating about all check that virtual please.
Attempting pole dancing.
Fuck.
Sliding down a really long pole. Yeah. Thinking it's really wet over there.
I've really got to take a piss.
What's the piss?
Excuse me, mate, I'm going to have to give you a ticket for pissing on this train.
Well, I don't even have a ticket anyway.